In this video, we are going to see how we can combine 2 or more videos together in Canva. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. So let's say what we want to do is we want to combine these 2 videos. So I'll just cut it here and sample videos. I'll just create a folder for it. I'll paste it here. And you can actually combine multiple videos, not only 2, with this method. So now we have those videos that we need to combine, right? All we have to do is just log into Canva, and from this main home tab, you will see this video option. Click on that, and whatever interface suits you, you want to click on that to use that template. My videos are in the landscape format, so I'll choose landscape video. And once my template is open, all we have to do is just upload both of these videos. So click on uploads, click on upload yourself, or you can record yourself directly into Canva. Click on upload files. I'll just go to the location, and here are my 2 files. So let me just select both, click OK or open, and we have these videos. Once it is uploaded, what you can do is just drag and drop into the main section or the interface, resize if necessary, and once it is resized properly, you need to position it a little bit, and you can see this first video on the timeline. Now for the second video, we can drag it directly into the timeline here at the bottom. Just make sure that it shows it right after the first video like this, and we drop it. You can combine it like this, and now let's play it. And for the second video, we'll resize that as well. And now as you can see, both of these videos are now combined. To save this, we'll click on the top right hand corner, click on share, click on download, choose the MP4 video, choose 1080p. If you're using the pro version, you should be able to choose that. And you can also save the download settings. I'll just download it. And to download it with the specific file name, what you can do is just name the file first and then try to download. It will download it with the same name. And once the download is complete, actually the download will start after some time when the process is complete. And once it is complete in the downloads, you will see the show in folder option, and there you go. Let's open it up. And this is the first video and the second video. Both of them are successfully combined into Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.